peeps reach and got stop more. Yeah. Make it back from my ends now, peeps. There I walk over a hill. Back from shoulder. Look out for do some cooking and now and relaxing in the evening. Sunrise style. Then gone over a hill like a bullet. Them used to it. Climb it. But when them are coming, I got a problem. But they moving.
45 of the road boy number. You good?
Yeah.
Come on, you're like elevated already.
In a real life, you see it, peeps.
Come on, you're like elevated already.
In a real life, you see it, peeps. Nice view.
Oh, that's the. Is that? What is that river?
Oh, that's just Little Bay River. That's
okay.
just a little bit. That's just a little river. Nobody not two swimming it. It's the river and the beach in one. Yeah. Yeah, peeps. So I go on. Place look nice. When I start cook yet, we have cook some food, you know, in the evening and in real life. Place nice. Yeah, man.
Well, them try to make me sad, it now go at me now. So that's why I make me glad. Of course, rejoice, rejoice, I say, jump. Selassie, the most high. All right, y'all, so rapid in a time like this. Then how you walk a man it in a time like this. You have it up, it take the damage in a time like this. Call up and sell up, say in a time like this. Mankind a move, so I say in a time like this. Can't be no coffee in a time like this. Yo, why is you waffle in a time like this? I got a joy down in my heart. When me say Rasta, the move was smart. Me nah go walk on the wicked man heart. When Jaja angry, me nah want feel the wrath, yo. I got a joy down in my soul.
Yeah. What go on here now? Peeps. Sorry for that. You know me there in the kitchen now, me have two visitors pass through, so they want some pumpkin rice and some barbecue chicken, sunrise style. We then see me do it, so you know, so that me have to sort out for them now. Yeah, I'm gonna go link up in the midday hours and go to the farm and reach back on the ends and now, so we cook some food. Yeah, man, so you know, so I go on under so. Wow, see this, peeps? This ready for rice and now, peeps. This having the pumpkin already. This having some okra, scallion, thyme, pepper, little Maggi, little butter, and some coconut milk. So that ready for rice. Now put in rice in this here now, peeps. So when you see about that pot there, you know, say a rice pot. Alright, so I have two plants now go and steam out, roast out, sunrise style. Yeah, man, two ripe planting. Yeah, man, in real life, peeps. Yeah, man, I saw sunrise deal with it. And you see, I know it's chicken. Yeah. So I'm going to use and barbecue sauce. Yeah, man, I throw some barbecue sauce on it and start fry it up. So I soon throw some more on it and make it look pretty. Sunrise style. Yeah, man, that the guests them want type them I go get in a real life. We ain't playing. Yes, peeps. What I now? Just peel off some mango. I'm going to make like a little smoothie or just a little mango juice, whatever you want to call it. Nice, we have ginger, but We run out of ginger, so this is just one lime. We just peel one lime. You see it, blender. So I go on. Yeah, man. Throw in the blender. Throw a little water. So, guys, we don't want thin out, you know, peeps. You see it? Yeah, man. Cock him up, and then we go work him up, peeps. Yeah, man. Okay, peeps. Yeah, man. This look like a sharing time, you know, in my real life. Rice done cook already. I'm up on the way I make some juice, you know, same way, so I will line up, share out some
yeah, man, food
know,
looking good, man. Yardman
peeps.
style, sunrise style is it. Pumpkin rice with barbecue chicken, roast plantain, and the maddest.
Yeah, peeps, your juice look done and I'm going to throw some ice in it. Yes. I'll make the blender do the work. Yes, peeps, this is good enough. This ready for throw out in a glass. Yo.
Thank you. It's delicious.
Yeah, man, for real, peeps, see? Pumpkin rice. And the barbecue chicken, Yardman style hop. Yeah, man. With the mango juice is a good look. Yeah, man, food nice. If you take up your rice, you can see the okra. Yeah, man, guys. I put one bag of the okra in the rice, you know, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, real deal, man. Yeah,
Put
you have everything? You have everything?
a little bag.
Like?
I'll hold it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good, man. That's how you're supposed to beat weed when you're in Jamaica. Cause
Real Jamaican style.
yeah, in your country you don't see it like
do
that.
it, yeah.
You see it in some little,
bag.
yeah, man.
Yeah.
So in
I
Ja-
know you gotta like hide it, and it's like wrong, you know? You're like, you know.
But like this now, you just put it in a room and you have it a pick. Yeah, man, we come now come down the road. See,
You should put your phone out, use your light, because it's loose outside there.
yeah, and I think this one bright enough. So
Yeah, we have everything, right?
yeah, I think so.
We have 3 beer bottles there.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, peeps, you know, so after food, you know, we walk and I go down back down on the car, you know, it's a nice little adventure. Food nice and everything. Yeah, man, farm tour and everything. It's a nice look. Yeah, peeps, you know, them a drive up, go back where them a stay, you know. Just don't cook some food and everybody eat and feel nice. So it's a good look, a good feelings. In a real life, we're gonna link up back tomorrow, is it?
Like big me put the session on top. Love when me listen the bassline a drop. Who no figures ready for the vibe attack. Man a come fi blaze the fire red hot, so no lies. When me take the mic and a chat, more vibes. All of them be copy rock. Oh boy, music make me feel so right. Give me a mic, me want to sing every time. Tell you me come ya fi right with no problem. The massive them dancing and a skanking to the beat like nobody could and never stop them. So me bust up the one ya feed the double over them. Inna me heart can't sing for you of them. Spread love and bring joy that me power them. And for a big tune me call Jalix again. Watch how me ride, that good rhythm from the eye. Get you the truth and the right. Jalix you fi know say we don't like her. You know everything crisp and nice. Weed I like, man a burn in the eye. It a free my mind. Me come and give positive vibe. I just that when me feel like. Well me not look for the war, but you better know say from that me still far. Only with love me apart. Me not deal with no badness or some me are. Cause when me sing me feel so good that time me not go stop at all. Every day me have to try fish up people me stand tall. Even if some boy just want to see me fall, make them know say they much and never crawl. Stop me like in panic.
Half an hour, son, before we back against the wall. For real. Me coming from a way down. But me rise above it all, me nah go stay down. Get up, stand up and drop, me nah go lay down. The way how me feel about Babylon, me nah go play down. I'm not lion, no greyhound. Way down. Rise above it all, me nah go stay down. Get up, stand up and drop, me nah go lay down. The way how me feel about Babylon, me nah go play down. Lion, no greyhound. Hungry thing no nice, who feels it, knows it. Glad me hold the flip and certain road, me never chose it. Cops them glad don't call me few time and tell me close it. Carry me go a jail and overnight me have to dose it. Put them up to let me go because they will me live it. I me never sell out no one information, me never give it. Tight on the rhythm, yeah, like I any rivet. Lyrics so fine, them I wonder if me save it. Me coming from a way down. Rise above it all, me nah go stay down. Get up, stand up and rock, me nah go lay down. The way how me feel about Babylon, me nah go play down. Man a lion, no greyhound. Way down. Me rise above it all, me nah go stay down. Get up, stand up and rock, me nah go lay down. The way how me feel about Babylon, me nah go play down. Lion, no greyhound. It's him, Royal Majesty. Yeah, yeah. I am a guide and a bless we. Yeah, yeah. Lucifer, I try more less we and less we. But Emperor Selassie, I say more and no less we. Him a give me the help to make me strength. And food for me when me belly empty. So when the heathen a try for torment me, me stand up and I take you there and well confidently. Me coming from way down. Rise above it all, me nah go stay down. Get up, stand up and rock, me nah go lay down. The way how me feel about Babylon, me nah go play down. Man a lion, no greyhound. Way down. Rise above it all, me nah go stay down. Get up, stand up and rock, me nah go lay down. The way how me feel about Babylon, me nah go play down. Lion, no greyhound. Hungry thing, no nice, who feels it, knows it. Let me hold the faith and certain road, me never